In this video, I'm going to show you guys a really easy method to make up to $100 per week doing just nothing. Yes, you heard me right, doing absolutely nothing. And if you stick to the end of this video, I will reveal to you how you can automate this process and make it 100% passive. But to achieve this, you need to watch this video all the way to the end and make sure you don't skip any steps so you can understand how this process works and then you can implement this strategy correctly. And for those of you that are wondering if this is available worldwide, the answer to that is yes, yes, and yes. You can do this from any country in the world. You can implement this strategy from the USA, from Ghana, from the Philippines, from Nigeria. It doesn't matter where you are. You can go ahead and implement this strategy. Now, this method is suitable if you have a very busy schedule. Maybe you're still working your 9 to 5 or you're mostly on one task or another. So you can implement this strategy if you're on the bus, on your way to the grocery store, or something of that nature. And yes, this strategy won't make you wealthy, but it will put quite a chunk of change in your pocket. Anyways, if you are looking for a full-time income online, then be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'll be revealing how you can make a full-time income online. So in this video, I'll be revealing the site where you can make up to $100 per week. I'll also reveal how you can cash out your earnings. And finally, I'm going to be revealing how you can automate your earnings and maximize profits. So if you'd like to know all that, be sure to stick around till the end of the video. But before I get into the video proper, please do me a favor and tap that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It comes at no extra cost to you, and it is one way you can support this channel for the amazing content that we're bringing out your way. Also smash the subscribe button so that you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. This will ensure that you get up-to-date information on how to make money online. Okay, so guys, with that out of the way, let's head straight into the video. Now, the website we're going to be using for this strategy is called ojo.com. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Now, as you can see, it says earn money by viewing advertisements. Okay, this is a very simple strategy. All you need to do is to view ads. There are other tasks that you can perform to make way more money. The strategy that will give you the most money on this site will be coming at the end of the video. I'll be revealing that at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the website. All you just need to do is to create an account. You sign up. It's going to send you a verification email. You just head over to your email, verify your account, and then you'll be able to access your account. And then you can see you can earn from watching advertisements. You can also advertise, or you can make money from referrals. We're going to be focusing on the first one, watching advertisements. As you can see here, it says there are over 36 million users and over 2.3 billion clicks. And you can get up to $20 bonus on sign up. So this is working, guys. 36 million is not a small number. Okay, so a lot of people are using this website. So all you need to do is just to click end watching ads, and then it's going to bring you to this page right here. So here you can see all the ads you can watch and earn some money. These ads are not long. As you can see, the 30 seconds ad, 5 seconds ad, 5 seconds ad, 5 seconds ad. So these are 5 to 10 seconds long, and you don't need to watch the ad per se. You can open it in a different tab or browser and just allow it to play. And then once it's done playing, you can make some money from it. Now, but these ads here pay very little. There's another place where you can get more ads that will pay you at a higher rate. If you just go to offers right here, you will see all these things here. Now, all these things here are different ways you can make money from this website. But the three that I will recommend the most are these Minute Staff, Personally, and Ojo Grid. This coin flip is a little bit of a gamble. You can lose your points. I will not recommend this one. Let's just stick to Minute Staff, Personally, and Ojo Grid. So if you click on Ojo Grid, it's going to bring you to this. So these are little ads. So any of these pictures you click will bring out a small pop-up ad which you can watch and earn even more money. So all you need to do is just watch all these ads. Well, not all of them. You can watch some of them. So as you can see, these are people making money $1, $2, $1 from watching these ads. Okay, and these ads are just 5 to 10 seconds long. They are not long at all. And that thing you can do is to click personally right here. Now it's going to lead you to this page on the site. Now you can see these are surveys for you, so you can earn free points just from doing surveys. And I see the survey takes 10 minutes and to earn you 62 points. This one 10 minutes, 114 points. So you can maximize the money you make from choosing surveys that will pay you the highest number of points. Like this one will give you over 140 points. This one will give you over 90 points. So you go ahead and get the points, and then after getting the points, you convert those points to money, and then you can cash out through your PayPal or whichever means that you want to collect your money. So as you can see, once you sign up, even before you do any survey, you're going to get 100 points. The last one we'll look at is minute staff. As you can see here, it says visit the site by clicking the box, and then you view content on the website. That is all you need to do for a few seconds, and then you exit the site, and then you can earn a few points from doing just that. Now we're going to be heading into the place where you can make the big bucks from this website, and that is referrals. These are people that entered the referral contest, and you can see this person made $200, $100, $50, $25. And if you check this referral benefits calculator, you can see that from referring just 40 people, you can make up to $679. So imagine that you refer 200 people, guys. So if you were to refer 200 people, you will make over $1,000. And 200 people, believe me, is a very, very small number. There are a lot of online forums filled with hundreds of thousands of people that want to make money online. I'm going to show you a very good place to get into those forums at the end of the video. So this is one of the ways to make the biggest bucks from this website. You go ahead, you get your referral link, and then you get people to sign up and also use this website either to watch ads or to put up ads to grow their business, and then you make 100% passive income from this website. So all you need to do is to go to their referral page. So you can see join Ojo affiliate. So you can just go here and download the app. Once you download the app, you get your affiliate link. And once you have gotten your affiliate link, you can head over to Facebook. And if you just search Make Money Online, you will see a lot of groups. Now this group is Make Money Online Club India. And this group has 176,000 members. And there are over 3,000 posts every single day. And this group encourages its members to post their make money online strategies in the group. This is not one of those groups where if you post, you get banned. This group encourages you to post your links. So you can go ahead and post your links. Tell the people in the group how amazing Ojo has been to you and how they can also make money from Ojo. And then once they sign up, you get to make money from the website. Now, these are other groups. This is Make Money Online Club India. This is Make Money Online Club Australia. This group has 183,000 members. And look at, they say, advertise your business or page for free. So you see, this group is encouraging you to advertise, and they have over 500 posts per day. So if you make a post in this group, since there are 183,000 members, at least 50 to 60,000 people will see the link. And let's say just 5,000 people sign up to your link and only 1,000 people are active, you can easily, very easily make this money that we're looking right here, because here we're working with just 200 referrals. So imagine you had 1,000 active people. Okay. Now you can see that's a lot of money, over $2,000. So head over to Facebook and leverage the groups. This is online money, private group. And it says share your online money making ideas here. These are 2.4 thousand posts per day. So there are a lot of groups on making money online that encourage you to just post your links or your methods of making money online into the groups. So you just get your Ojo referral link after you've made some money from watching ads, and then come to these Facebook groups. Tell them how much you've made from Ojo. Encourage them to sign up, and once they sign up and you guide them on how to do it, or you send them back to this video to watch it, then you will make lots and lots of money. Like I promised, if you're interested in making a full-time income online, check out the video on the screen right now. In that video, you will find proven strategies that are underutilized, guys. So be sure to check out the video and watch it all the way to the end. Don't forget to drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And if you didn't, let me know in the comment section below why you didn't enjoy the video. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.